Hey there, business owners. Quick question. What would an extra 20, 30, even 50 qualified phone calls a month do for your bottom line? Pretty sweet, right? I'm Ryan from Accelerate Marketing, and today we're cracking open the real reason Google Local Service Ads, LSAs, are the most profitable ad slot on the internet for service businesses. First, let's get brutally honest. Pay-per-click is noisy. You pay for every tire kicker who might click your ad, land on your site, bounce, or get distracted by a cat video. With LSAs, you only pay when somebody actually calls or messages you or books an appointment. Real intent, real lead, full stop. Now, why else are they a gold mine? Number one, built-in trust badge. Google slaps a big green Google guaranteed check mark next to your name. That's social proof you couldn't buy 5 years ago, even with a Super Bowl ad. People see that badge and think, these guys are vetted, let's call. Top of the page real estate. LSAs show about everything. Regular ads, MacPack, organic. Your competition is literally scrolling beneath you while you drink coffee and wait for the phone to ring. Number three, pay per verified lead, not per click. If a call is spam or clearly outside of your service area, then Google will give you a credit to that call. Try getting that from traditional PPC. Good luck. Number four, voice search and mobile dominance. Hey Google, find a plumber near me. Guess what's read out loud? The LSA listings. It's the future of search and it's happening right now. Get ahead or get left behind. Number five, lightning fast ramp up. Unlike SEO that takes months, you can flip on LSAs Monday and have book jobs by Friday, assuming you answer the phone. Quick reality check. LSAs aren't a magic ATM. You still need razor sharp response times, 5-star reviews, and accurate business information. That's exactly where agencies fumble and where we shine. We audit your reviews, tighten your zip codes targeting, monitor calls, and coach your team so you convert every qualified lead you paid for. Here's the kicker. Google is making LSAs the front door for local services. They're pouring resources into it, adding verticals and tightening verification. If you wait a year, the price per lead will climb and early movers will own the review landscape. Remember how cheap AdWords clicks were in 2005? Same story, different decade. So if you're ready to lock in prime shelf space while the competition is still dabbling, then text us at 619-304-5155. And you can even text the word audit and we'll audit your LSA page and we'll turn your phone into a sales machine. Don't forget to subscribe for more no fluff marketing strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.